My name is Courtney. I'm studying marketing at Colorado State Global, and I did my internship in Dublin, Ireland with a company called Ashville Media Group. I chose Dublin because I wanted to be in Europe, but I wanted to be in an English-speaking country so that a language barrier wouldn't hold me back from learning as much as possible. Yeah, so I worked on the events team with a few other interns, preparing for events such as the Bar of the Year Awards and the Digital Media Awards. I was in charge of calling companies, getting them to buy tickets to the awards, getting them to enter the awards, processing all of the entries and approving them. I was posting on social media, helping with the social media marketing side of it, just organize things needed for the event, such as the seating chart and the script, and creating news posts for the website. And yeah, that was my job. Definitely the Bar of the Year Awards was my favorite because we got all of the pubs in Ireland to come down and see who's the best in a bunch of different categories. And that was really a fun event to work. Well, I was actually a social media destination ambassador for the Intern Group, so I have a little bit of experience with content creation and running social media profiles, so I was able to bring that into my internship and create a social media content calendar, schedule posts to be posted on different social media platforms, and engaging with people on social media, so that's what I was able to bring to my internship. My favorite memory would honestly be just living with my roommates because we all became really good friends, and some of my favorite moments from this summer were just me and all of my roommates sitting in our apartment, having a pint after work, playing card games. They definitely made the experience way better. This program really gave me insight into my career goals and solidified what I wanted to do with my career, because marketing is such a broad kind of thing to study, so really narrowing it down to event marketing and event management. Now I know I definitely want to go into that field, and I now feel a lot more confident going into a workplace. I've never really been in an office setting before, but now I kind of know what it's like, and I won't be as scared when I'm applying for jobs and things like that. I would say be prepared to meet a lot of new people. You're possibly meeting your roommates that you're going to live with, you're meeting all of the people that you're working with, and your boss, and the people that work for the intern group. Just to keep an open mind, because you never know who you're going to end up being friends with. Don't be scared to show off your personality in the workplace, because it can be a little intimidating, and sometimes you could kind of feel like you need to be quiet and keep to yourself and just listen, but you're allowed to ask questions and you're allowed to talk to your coworkers. And I think that was something that I really struggled with in the beginning, but then over the course of my internship, I really was a lot more confident in the workplace and more excited to be there. And I was asking questions and I was making plans with my coworkers, just to be confident.